Welcome to this tutorial on how to buy mutual funds on Robinhood, a popular investing app. To get started, you need to have a Robinhood account. If you don't have one, you can sign up for free. Once you have logged into your account, tap the magnifying glass icon at the bottom of the screen to search for mutual funds. Type in the name of the mutual fund you want to buy, or the ticker symbol if you know it. You can also browse through the list of available mutual funds on Robinhood. When you find the mutual fund you want to buy, tap on it to view its details page. Here, you can see the fund's performance over time, its holdings, and other important information. Make sure to review this information carefully before making a decision. To buy the mutual fund, tap the Buy button at the top right corner of the screen. Enter the amount of money you want to invest, and confirm the transaction. You can also set up a recurring investment, which allows you to invest a fixed amount of money at regular intervals. It is essential to understand that Robinhood does not offer mutual funds directly. Instead, it offers exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, which are similar to mutual funds but trade like stocks. However, some ETFs track the same indexes as mutual funds, so you can still achieve similar investment goals. Before investing in any mutual fund or ETF, make sure to evaluate your financial goals and risk tolerance. It is also crucial to diversify your portfolio by investing in a range of assets to minimize risk. In conclusion, buying mutual funds on Robinhood is a straightforward process. However, it is essential to do your research and understand the investment options available to you. By following these steps and doing your due diligence, you can make informed investment decisions and achieve your financial goals.